Yeah, it's me again. I've had some time off for the holidays, and so it's been fun and interesting to make some videos. And since we flat earthers are expecting much more YouTube censorship with its Orwellian December 10th commercially viable policy, these may be my last chances to share these things with you, as I don't think there will be a Taboo Conspiracy 3, but I'll try to keep posting videos on BitChute and 153news.net. I'll try to leave links to both of these forums in the description. And if you want to stay in touch, you can always email me at tabooconspiracy@gmail.com or globebusterspro@jeranism.com. Hopefully, you have already watched the Globebusters Pro interview between Bob and James. In that interview, James, a former Navy sonar technician, said that modern sonar could monitor objects over 1,000 miles away, and that there was no ability for a submarine to hide behind a supposed curvature acoustic shadow. Since then, 3 other technicians have confirmed the same, that everything related to sonar is flat, and there is no acoustic Earth curvature shadow. Even Wikipedia recognizes that sonar can travel over 1,000 miles. Acoustic shadows are a real thing, but apparently the curvature refuses to make one. But God's creations are many times more amazing than technology. According to this article from the Daily Mail, a whale's song can be heard by another whale 4,000 miles away. A humpback whale singing in the Caribbean, for example, can be heard by a fellow whale off the west coast of Ireland more than 4,000 miles away. 80-foot-long fin whales, second only in size to the blue whale, can make low-frequency moaning sounds beyond the range of human hearing that also travel thousands of miles. Now that is beautiful. Checking the curvature drop on engineering software. Yes, this is verified by AutoCAD. The curvature drop at 4,000 miles is 1,669 miles. A target hidden height of 1,669 miles. That's one huge acoustic shadow. The accuracy of the alleged target hidden height is confirmed by this Earth curvature calculator as well. So don't come onto my channel and lie claiming that we flat earthers got the math wrong. We didn't. But let's check to see how tall that supposed Earth bulge would be between those 2 whales 4,000 miles apart. According to this Earth bulge height calculator, there should be a Earth bulge height between those 2 points that's 495 miles tall. That's miles. Where is the acoustic shadow from this unbelievably tall mountain? It doesn't exist. It seems that whales don't care about an imaginary curvature. We all know that the globe propagandist is going to claim refraction. Just like when Guglielmo Marconi sent a transatlantic radio transmission 2,135 miles away, the propagandist will claim that those radio waves hugged the Earth's alleged curvature and hopped an Earth mountain 143 miles tall. Naysayers at the time of Marconi said that such a transmission was impossible due to the curvature of the Earth. Strange, the curvature wasn't a problem. But according to the Globe faithful, this is all due to refraction. Sea, air, it fixes everything. Amazing. And what about Nicobine, that VHF radio targeting system used by the Germans in World War II from 2 separate locations up to 443 miles away from ground targets in England? Churchill's science advisor said that such a VHF targeting system was impossible due to the Earth's curvature. Guess what? The curvature wasn't a problem. How about that? So how was Nicobine possible according to the Globe faithful? Refraction. Amazing. And what about a selenelion, where both the moon and the sun are above the horizon during a lunar eclipse? Geometrically, that should not be possible. But what's the Globe propagandist's excuse? Can you guess? Refraction saves the globe again. Refraction of sunsets and sunrises is also the explanation as to why a lunar eclipse has a reddish hue, if you can imagine that. Yeah, the sunsets on Earth jump onto the moon. Ridiculous. And what about our repeatable experiment where we flat earthers can zoom in on a horizon that's further than 11.22 miles away when the globe physical horizon should have been under 1.9 miles? Again, the propagandists will claim refraction. According to the liars, refraction removed the bulge of water in front of the bird racks and then pushed the apparent horizon miles beyond the rack. And refraction was also somehow selective because it magically removed and transported the water bulge further than 10 miles without affecting the racks themselves. Refraction is the magical cure-all that fixes all of your lack of curvature problems. How do you maintain this illusion of a curvature that you have never seen and which cannot be measured in any realistic manner? How can you believe in a pressurized atmosphere surrounded by an unbelievably powerful vacuum? You can only cite your unfortunate, credulous faith in NASA. What a silly religion you have. I love you all, my NASA space skeptics and flat Earth family, and I hope that we can all somehow stay in touch, notwithstanding the coming purge. I do recommend that if YouTube goes forward with this expected purge, that you forever boycott YouTube. I'm serious. Never click on a YouTube video again if they do this. God bless you all.